Hello, you're welcome once again to my channel. If today is your first time, kindly like this video, subscribe and share with family and friends. Thank you.
In the next few weeks, I'll be talking about how to conduct a research. This is intended to help prospective graduates to better appreciate research and help rectify countless misconceptions students hold, the annual cycle of stress and its associated frustration, all in the name of an academic exercise called project work. This content will be practical and inclined toward providing students with requisite skills for successfully doing their projects. It will be delivered in episodes due to how voluminous it is. This is to help viewers grasp everything gradually. Let's look at the general outline. In this video, which is episode 1, we will talk about the general introduction to research, the two main types of research, elements of an undergraduate research paper, research proposal and its elements. In the next video, which is episode 2, we will look at the outline of a research paper and selecting a research topic. In episode 3, we will look at the introduction section. Episode 4 will seek to reveal all about literature review and also talk about theoretical and conceptual frameworks in research. Episode 5 will talk about the methodology of your research. Developing data collection tools and writing a research proposal will all be covered in episode 6. Episode 7 will then talk about writing the data presentation and analysis section, discussion of results, conclusions, and recommendations. Episode 8, which is the final episode, will talk about formatting your research paper appropriately and writing an abstract. Now, today's lesson. General introduction to research. Objectives. At the end of this episode, members should be able to know what research is all about, explain the purpose of research, explain the various types of research, know the elements of research proposal and undergraduate research paper. Research is an organized and systematic way of collecting and analyzing data to increase our understanding of a topic or solve a problem. This results in the creation of new knowledge or the use of existing knowledge in a new or creative way so as to generate new concepts, methodologies, and understandings. I used the word organized because there is a structure or method for doing research. The research process has a number of steps to guide the researcher. The reason for using systematic is also because there is a set of proven procedures and principles that one needs to follow to get valid and reliable results. Every research is guided by a central question, which is always broken down to simpler and researchable questions. The purpose or importance of research. The main purpose of research is to inform an action, to prove a theory, and contribute to developing knowledge in a field of study. Importance. It serves as a tool for building knowledge and for facilitating learning. It serves as a means to understand various issues and increase public awareness. It proves lies and supports truths. Means to find, gauge, and seize opportunities. It also serves as nourishment and exercise for the mind. There are two main types of research. 1. Fundamental or basic research. 2. Applied research. Fundamental or basic research. It is an investigation on basic principles and reasons for occurrence of a particular event, process, or phenomenon. It is also called theoretical research. Applied research. In an applied research, one solves certain problems employing well-known, accepted theories and principles. Most of the experimental research case studies, and interdisciplinary research are essentially applied research. Basic and applied research are further divided into the following: qualitative research, quantitative research, and mixed research. Let's quickly look at what they mean. Qualitative research. It relies on unstructured and non-numerical data. The data includes field notes written by the researcher during the course of his or her observation, interviews and questionnaires, focus groups, participant observation, audio or video recordings carried out by the researcher in natural settings, and documents of various kinds. Quantitative research. It is the process of collecting and analyzing numerical data. It can be used to find patterns and averages, make predictions, test causal relationships, and generalize results to wider populations. Mixed research. It involves the mixing of quantitative and qualitative methods or paradigm characteristics. Nature of data is a mixture of variables, words, or images. Elements of an undergraduate research paper are introduction, literature review, methodology, data presentation and analysis, conclusion, references. In the coming episodes, I will take time to explain how to write each section separately. A research proposal. It is a document proposing a research project in academia. It generally constitutes a request for sponsorship of that research. Elements of a research proposal: title, identification, abstract, introduction, significance of study, purpose of study or statement of purpose. Research questions, hypothesis, definition of themes, methodology, time schedule or work plan, budgets, organization of reports, conclusion, and references. Later, I will take time to explain how to write a research proposal. All too soon, we have come to the end of the first episode. In the next episode, we will talk about the outline of a research paper and selecting a research topic.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you had a great time. I'll see you next time. Bye.